want a voice at the end of a long work day, welcoming us home with, "Hello, darling, how was your day?"
Nice to see you.
For people who wish to have that type of companion in the form of an animal, a talking bird fits the bill very nicely. Also known as the budgie or parakeet, this common little bird is capable of learning a large number of phrases and songs. Their voice tends to be low and not always defined, and males tend to train better than females. Also called the Quaker parakeet, this colorful little bird is actually a small parrot. They are known for being very clever and social, developing large vocabularies of phrases and words.
Hi, Chloe. Where's the kitty cat?
If you want a companion for life, this is a good fit. The blue-fronted can live for up to 100 years or more. They have an excellent speaking voice with a strong ability to mimic human voices. Very clever little birds, Indian ringnecks can develop a large vocabulary and speak very clearly in sentences. Not so much for mimicking the pitch of a human voice. They more often speak in their own bird voices, though they can carry the mood of the phrase.
Hello.
Known for being especially gender dimorphous, the male is green and the female bright red. This parrot is able to verbalize distinctly and mimic the tone and mood of language. While its capabilities are strong, these abilities depend entirely on training from an early age.
Laura. Hi, Laura. Good girl. Hi, baby.
Considered to be nearly as good as the yellow-naped, with a smaller tendency to nip. Closely following the yellow-naped, with an excellent ability to mimic human voices and love for song.
Hello.
This pretty little black bird has an amazing capacity for mimicking human voices with a varied range of pitch and tonality. Of the Amazon parrots, the yellow-naped is the best known for its speaking abilities. They love to sing and are highly intelligent, with an uncanny ability to mimic human speech and cadence.
Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The African gray is widely considered to be the smartest of the talking birds and one of the most intelligent in the animal kingdom overall. Some experts say they approach the ability to speak and relate concepts on the level of a human toddler. Even at the highest level of ability, there are still some birds that will not talk, no matter what you do or how early you train. Just as there are quiet, shy people, there are quiet and shy birds. And, just as with people, some birds are smarter than others.